This is how you fold the toilet paper. You take one end, you tuck it under. You take the other end, and you tuck that under, and you fold it. And you got toilet paper that's folded. Yay! And now, after you take your shower, pull up the shower mat. And then put it over your tub or on a towel rack. This way your tub will not get moldy and your bath mat won't get moldy either. When washing your dishes, you can put your sponges in there. You can also put your brushes in there to clean dishes. Every night do this. It will keep them sanitized. Is when you leave the house for vacation or you're gone for 2 or 3 days, put the toilet seat up. Do not leave it down. It will be moldy and the toilet inside will be all moldy. It'll be gross looking. You do not want to do that. And also, when you have like a real dirty microwave, all you do is you fill the bottle up half vinegar, half water, and you spray the microwave. And then you let it sit for maybe 5 minutes. Go in there and wipe it down with a paper towel, and it will come off very easy.